Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can watch UFC 2026 live from anywhere. So let's get started. Before I show you the easiest way to watch UFC live, there's one important thing you need to know. Thousands of fans miss major UFC fights every year because they don't know where the official stream is available in their country. Imagine waiting weeks for a big fight, only to realize at the last minute that you don't know where to watch it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the official UFC live stream, how to avoid fake websites, and how to make sure you don't miss a single second of the action. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also show you a simple trick that helps you get notified before every UFC event so you're never late to a fight again. First, open your web browser on your phone, tablet, laptop, or computer. Then go to the official UFC website and look for the upcoming event schedule. Here you'll find information about current and upcoming fight cards, including the main event, start times, and broadcast details. Once you've selected the event you want to watch, check the official viewing options available in your country. Depending on your region, UFC events may be available through official broadcasters, streaming platforms, or pay-per-view services. The available options can vary from one country to another. If you're in the United States, many UFC events are available through official UFC broadcasting partners. In other countries, local sports streaming services may carry the event. Always use official providers to ensure the best video quality and to avoid scams or unreliable streams. If you're planning to watch on your phone, simply download the official app or use the approved streaming service available in your region. If you're watching on a laptop or desktop computer, you can usually access the live stream directly through the broadcaster's website. Before the event starts, it's a good idea to sign in to your account and test your connection. This helps prevent last-minute issues when the fights begin. You should also check the event start time in your local time zone so you don't miss any of the preliminary fights or the main card. Now, here's the bonus tip I mentioned earlier. If you want to receive notifications whenever a new UFC event is announced, follow UFC's official social media pages and enable notifications. You can also subscribe to event reminders through your preferred streaming platform. This ensures you're always informed about upcoming fights, weigh-ins, and major announcements. UFC events often feature some of the biggest names in mixed martial arts, so staying updated can help you catch exciting matchups and championship fights as soon as they happen. If this video helped you find the right way to watch UFC 2026 live, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, tips, and guides just like this. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.